bridge was up. Everyone's waiting to get across. And the bridge is coming down. London Bridge is on 5 down. London Bridge is coming down, coming down, coming down. London Bridge is coming down, my fair lady. So traffic can't, because the footbridge as well is also closed. Some serious engineering. I think someone physically has to come and open the gate. He's physically opening the gate, and I guess that is to stop people from trying to. He only has control, so nobody can try to break the gate. He physically opened the gate. Sorry. Okay.